Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you another brand new Instagram update called Live Rooms. Now with Live Rooms, you could go live on Instagram and invite other people to join you in the same room, and they could go live and share it with their audience at the same time. Now up to 4 different people, as I'm recording this, could be in that room. Before it was basically one-on-one, or you could invite one other person, so 2 people max. Now you could do 4 people in a room. Let me show you how to use it, and I'll play the role of both different people. I'll create a live room and I'll invite someone. I'll show you 2 different phones so you can see what the other person sees as well. So here I have 2 different accounts and on 2 different phones. Here's an iPhone, here's an Android phone. I'm gonna start my live session on this phone. I'll slide over here, and on the bottom I'm already on live, but if you're on a different tab, like story or reels, just basically scroll over till you get to live. So I'll go to live here. And right now, the first thing I need to do in this page is tap title and title my live session. Okay, so I'll just title this test for now and I'll add that title. Okay, now to go live, all I have to do is press this option and it's gonna check my connection and go live just like that. So this is live, so anybody that follows me on this page could see that. Now, as long as the other account, look at this, both of them just got a notification that I'm live. So you could see it just popped up right here that I'm live. Now, both accounts have to be following each other, okay? Otherwise, this is not going to work this way. Now, how do I invite another account once I'm live on one? Well, all I have to do is I could do it from here or I could request it from the other account. So to do it from the account that just went live, press this double person option right here. And here I could go ahead and search for that person. So let me go ahead and search Howfinity here. There we go. So I could tap this right here, select them here. Again, this account has to be following each other, okay? Both of these. I'll press send request. And I got a request right here. And I could just tap that and press join. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Let me press X here. So this just said I declined that offer. But I could do it from this end too. So to do it from the other person's end, they have to just view my live session. Okay, so they've just joined the live session. I should get a notification on this one that happened. There we go. And then I could go ahead and press request. See the request option? Press this right there. And now I'm requesting to join them in a live session. So let me go ahead and do that. And I got a view request and I'll go live with them. Okay, now look what happens here. This is going live. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave. There's a weird feedback going on right there. So I just disconnected it because I was having a weird feedback here because the phones are next to each other. But typically when you do this, the phones won't be next to each other and one person will show up here and then the other person will show up here, their camera. And if you have 4 people, it's just gonna split this into 4 different sections, okay? And people, it looked like people were joining. So I'm actually going to exit and end. And then every time you end, you could actually go ahead and share it or save the video as well. Okay, so in this case, I'm just gonna delete this video